made it. Barely.
We are landing in New Jersey.
We gotta catch the air train over to Newark. Or where are we going? Air train to what?
New York.
To New York.
Okay, we're at the hotel and we're about to leave. We're on day 2 right now. Yesterday was a show, and I'll probably fill you in with like some text bubbles or something, but essentially we missed our first flight because we missed our like check-in window for our bags for by 10 minutes. And so we couldn't go on that flight. So we had to get rescheduled for another flight. And then that flight went to Florida, and then it went to Newark. Our original flight was just supposed to go straight to Newark from Austin, but that's okay. We made it. We made it to the hotel, and then we saw Iron Lung yesterday evening. Big Markiplier fans, we'll just say that. But it was a great day, and it's really not that cold. I don't know. I maybe because we're layering up that well. I mean, it's cold, like air temp. It's brick. It's air temperature, like cold, but like it didn't feel too bad if you're like dressed properly. So today we're gonna go to the Brooklyn Bridge, and we're all ready. I'll have to show you my fit later. Can't really show it to you. I mean, yeah. We're gonna go to the Brooklyn Bridge, and then we're going to find some place to eat in Brooklyn, and then we're gonna make our way back up into the city and go shopping today. I'm so excited. So we'll bring you guys along. And by the way, the subway stations are confusing sometimes. We've gone up the wrong way and down the wrong way like 2 or 3 times, so that was pretty annoying. But today I feel like we're gonna get the hang of it because we kind of understand what to look for now. But we'll bring you guys along with us. Come with us to the Brooklyn Bridge. We got off the subway at High Street, and now we're going on the pedestrian walkway for the Brooklyn Bridge. Hubby got the fit on. We got the fit on. It's so pretty. So pretty. Again, like I was saying, it's really not that cold if you layer up properly. The thing that's cold for me is my nose.
My earlobes.
My earlobes are fine. He's wearing a beanie, so. But it's been a great experience in New York so far. We took the right train today, so that's good. I took my glove off for like 30 seconds and my fingers hurt so bad. I took a glove off to like reach in my pocket and holy it's like pins and needles. But these gloves do a good job at keeping my hands warm. They're by Quince and they're cashmere lined. Absolutely amazing. But this view is so gorgeous. Matt's getting a bunch of footage right now too. If you see any boogers in this video, I'm not gross, I promise. I just can't feel my face, so I can't tell if I have anything.
You see everything in photos, videos, movies. I think being here gives that magic feeling because it makes you feel like you're in that movie that you've always dreamt of, and it just doesn't feel real.
Oh, also RIP Catherine O'Hara.
Yeah.
I was really sad when I heard about that. And like we landed in Newark and I got on my phone and that was like the first thing I saw. This is also my first vlog with my DJI. So I'm still trying to work out everything. So if this video comes out a little bit weird, I do apologize. Actually, no, I don't. It's part of the learning curve. And I keep staring at the screen instead of like the camera, which I should be staring at the camera. I'm sorry guys, I'll get used to it. I promise. We're getting closer to the big structure of the ridge. We're at Cafe Paradiso. Apparently this is like TikTok famous. I've seen it on TikTok before, but honestly worried I'm getting frostbite.
You put them underneath your armpits, inside your coat.
I have to record though, you know what I mean?
Priorities.
Okay, I've seen this store and this brand, obviously Glossier, but I have only gotten their balm.com. Oh, this is the exact one that I have, guys. Hold on. That black cherry one, I guess. But they have so many cute things, and I really like their lip balms. Sorry. I love makeup.
I'm taking control of the vlog. I just don't know how to work it. Yeah. I don't know how to work this thing with gloves on.
Oh, it's already recorded. Lavender blush right here in the color Wisp. I'm finally getting feeling back in my hands. We're doing an aura experience at Love Letter NYC, and we're doing it as a pair. So we're going to get our aura taken together, and then they tell us what it means. Our appointment's in like 15 minutes, so we're kind of just standing around because we don't really want to walk anywhere right now.
What'd you say?
Vibing, enjoying the site. There's really pretty older apartment buildings with fire escapes, and they're really nice. Alright, so I think the last thing I recorded was Uniqlo. After that, we went to Abercrombie & Fitch because I wanted to get one of their like New York shirts that are like New York exclusives, and I got this really cute t-shirt. I'm going to do a haul later, but got that, and then we went to Muji, and I wanted to get some stationery things. I didn't end up getting anything at all, but that's okay. Yeah, so after Muji, my feet were hurting, his feet were hurting. We're almost at like 16K steps right now, which is not even the most it's gonna be because we're gonna eat, finish our show, and then we're gonna go to Times Square because he wants to go to Times Square. And I want to go shopping, so we're gonna go. It's only a few blocks away, which is a good thing. So it's not that big of a deal for me, but I am gonna wear different shoes. I'm gonna probably wear the shoes that I wore yesterday because those are comfortable. We got some takeout sushi from Imasa Mori Sushi Izakaya. It's literally a sushi place right next door. So we got that, and we got some chicken fried rice and miso soup. So we got some takeout. We got some takeout, and we're gonna finish watching His and Hers because that show is just really amazing. Then we're gonna get dressed, put on comfortable shoes, and then we're gonna go to Times Square, and I will film that with you guys. We lied about like, oh, they have this little disposable tray for little sauces.
Go ahead, shoot it over to him. You got it. Yep. Thank you so much. Okay.
Alright, I changed the outfit. My husband obviously has the f***ing fit on. We're gonna go to Times Square now. Bye!
Bye. I don't want to sit on
Okay, someone's gonna get some
Did you get lost?
No, I didn't, actually. Yeah, do we order up there?
There's a lot of food.
Hey Pookie, hey Pookies. So we came back to the hotel. Times Square was very hectic, overwhelming. I've already seen it once. He saw it for the first time. There wasn't a lot of stores open, so we are gonna go shop tomorrow before we head back to Texas. We went and I got some footage of Central Perk. I will insert some clips here. Okay, anyways, now we're back at the hotel. My hands were so Cold as came back. My hands are beat red, pins and needles all over. It was redonkulous. But now we're watching Gossip Girl. It's currently 9:58 p.m. So I hope you have a wonderful night. Okay, it is our last day. We're gonna check out early and leave our bags with the concierge. And this is Matthew's outfit for the day. Okay, yes. Take a video of me. Okay.
Sheesh.
We got that fit on. We got that Gymshark.
Uh-huh.
Gymshark. Uniqlo jacket. Uniqlo scarf. This is my husband's. Pants. PacSun, I think. I don't know. And shoes. Yep. And don't forget about the 10 layers of clothes underneath. Oh. And New York or Nowhere hat. Yes. Yes. I do look like a tourist because I am. We're currently at H&M. We just finished shopping around for Matt. He didn't find anything, but I'm gonna look now. I got this cool camo New York Yankees baseball cap from Aritzia. Is the denim dress trad white?
I feel like it could be.
Look at this, guys. Isn't it cute? Oh, let's go to the 4th floor. It's home. This is really cute. I really like that.
Have a nice over shirt. Still trying to stay layered, but I'm way too cold out here.
These little trays.
Wow, it smells good.
I like this. Espresso cup and saucer. Oh, those are nice. Whoa. How much is
These
this?
are quality too. This is heavy.
Hell no, you're leaning up against the. Oh, stop it. Stop it right now. I'm terrified of heights. In case anybody who doesn't know me IRL is watching, I'm absolutely terrified. Even this is like freaking me out, and we're only 4 stories up.
Amos bag.
Oh, she would love that. I'm getting our youngest daughter this little Minnie Mouse purse because we bought Riker a New York purse. Our beautiful baby girls.
This would be a really good fit. This is a tutu. I'll get that for her.
Okay. Perfect. Very much his idea of fun. These things are not fun to me, but you know, I'm forcing myself to do this because I love him so very much and I hope he sees my effort.
I love it.
I love him. We're at the Newark airport, and we are going home to Texas. But we'll be together. That's all that matters. All right, see you back in Austin. My hat always ends up being crooked. Season 4 of Gossip Girl. The tea is hot. XOXO. Landed in Austin. We got here like 45 minutes early. And then we had to wait because there was a plane at our gate and we needed to wait until they left. So we essentially arrived on time. We're gonna go pick up our bags and then we're gonna go home. This concludes the end of our New York City trip. I hope you guys had a great time watching because we had a great time experiencing it. And there will definitely be more vlogs out because 2026, I'm going to get a lot better at vlogging. Okay, bye.